Okay, Daniel, we're going to practice adding two-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, now let's look at this example. Look, it's 25, which is 2 10s and 5 1s, plus 17, which is 1 10 and 7 1s. Okay, so remember how we always go to the ones first, and you say 5 plus 7 equals. So what you do is you put all of these together, just like this. We're going to do the ones first, right? We put all of them together. All of them together. Look at that. 5 plus 7. Now tell me, how much is 5 plus 7? I don't want you to count those. I want you to use your math facts, okay? 5 plus 7 equals what? Oh. 12. Excellent. 12. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Okay, well, what happens with the 12? Look, that number is just too big. It's too big. It has 2 digits. And here, on this column, we're talking about ones. So we can't put a 2-digit number under the ones column, right? Because that wouldn't make any sense. So what we need to do, Daniel, is we're going to regroup. Make these into a group of 10. Here you go. And then if we have that many left, so how many do we have there? What you're doing here, Daniel, look over here. What you did here is that you took the 2-digit number that you have, the 12, and you turned it or regrouped it into a number, 2-digit number with 10s and 1s, right? So let's look at the 12 and tell me, if you were going to turn this into a 2-digit number with 10s and 1s, how many 10s will there be in there? How many 10s will there be in there, in that number? How many 10s? There's the number. How many 10s are there in the number 12? Good. That's the 10s part, right? Okay. So what is the ones part? How many ones? 2 ones. That's right. So we have 1 10 and 2 1s. Here we go. That's exactly what you did here. You regrouped the number into 10s and 1s. So, now, this is what happens here. You take all of these 10s, then look here. You take all of these 10s out. Okay. And there's just a 10. You put it here with the others. 10. So now you have 1 10 and 2 1s. Very good. 1 10 and 2 1s. Right. So let's put the 1s. You put the 1s down here with 1s. And the 1s column. And what happens with the 10? You have to carry it over or put it over here with the other 10s, right? Look over here, Daniel. You gotta put it here with the other 10s. There's a 1. 1 10. Very good. Now, you have 2 1s, and look at the 10s now. Let's count those. You know that now, what's the total then? Add the 10s together and tell me how much that is. What is the total? I know. Come on, you can do it. It's 42. Very good. It's 1 plus 2 plus 1, and that's 4. 42. Okay. Now that you know what we're doing, I think we're going to go a little faster now. I know, that's not funny. Let's do the next one, Daniel. 38 plus 18. Okay, so what's the first thing we do? We go to the ones column. Look at the problem. We go to the ones column and we add the ones. This plus this. Now, how much is that? Show me how much that is. Show me. How much? 16. Excellent. 16. So, here's the number 16. We got 16 ones, okay? And we're going to turn that 16 into a number with 10s and 1s. All right? So, which one will be the 10s? How many 10s can you make with the number 16? Can you make how many 10s? 1 10. Very good. No. What about how many ones? How many ones? Come on, you can show me. How many ones? Yes. You make 6 ones. Very good. So what do? We put the ones here with the ones, right? Here we go. And then we carry over the tens part. We put it with the tens right here. This is a 110, right? Very good. So what is the total number then? You already told me it's a 6 here. So what is the total? Let's add these. Tell me how much that is. $56. Very good. 56. Awesome. Yes, it is. 56. All right. Let's do one more. Okay. Very good. Let's erase all of this. Okay? Let's see this one. Okay. Here we go. First thing we're going to do is do what, Daniel? You go here and you add the ones together. I want you to tell me how much is the ones part. 10. Very good. 5 plus 5 is 10. All right? So here's the 10. Let's regroup the 10 into a number with 10s and 1s. Okay, now, which part is the 10s? How many 10s are there in the number 10? There's 1 10. Whoop. Okay. What about how many 1s do you have? How many 1s? You have 0 1s. That's right. Okay. Well, let's put the 1s part. We'll put it here. There you go. And then what happens with the 1? You can't just throw it away. We need the 1s is a 1 10, right? So we put it here with the 1s. Very good. So now tell me how much that is, Daniel. Look. All right. What's the total? 55 plus 25. How much is that? 80. Very good. It is 80. It's 5 and 1 is 6 and 2 is 8. 80. Excuse me. Okay. I'm going to do one last one, okay? Let's do one last one. Last one. Mm-hmm. We do a last one. I know. Just get some room here. I didn't leave much room for the carryover, right? Okay. Okay. Yep. Let's do this last one. The first thing you need to do is add the 1s together, right? Add all the 1s together. Right? Did you look here? Add the 1s together, and that gives you what number? 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. That's right. So let's take 11 1s, right? And we're going to regroup them into a number with 1s and 10s, right? There you go. So how many 10s can you make with, how many 10s are there in the number 11? How many 10s? There's 1 10. How about the 1s? So excuse me. How many 1s are there? Very good. So 11 is a number with 1 10 and 1 1, right? So we get the number of 1s. We put it here. And what do we do with the other? The 10s part? We carry it over. We put it here with the other 10s. Right? Now, let's see. How much is that then? You already told me it was, the 1s part was 1. So how much is the 10s part and the whole number? How much is that? 81. Excellent. 4 and 3 is 7 and 1 is 8. 81. Very good, Daniel. This is your last one. First thing we do is add the 1s, right? Daniel, look. Look at your problem. You have to add the 1s first. Okay, so what is the answer? 13. Excellent. 4 plus 9 is 13. Okay. So here's the number 13. All right. Let's see. What's the 10th part? You can make 110 out of 13, right? And what number goes here, Daniel? What number goes there? Let me put this down. Okay, that's right. It's the 3. That's the ones part, right? That's the ones part. You put the 3 here. Yeah. You need to be quiet so you can finish your exercises. The 3 goes there from the 13, and then the 1, you need to put it right here with the other 10s, right? You have to carry it over. So, here we go. This is your last exercise. What's the answer? Look here at the board. Daniel, look at the board. You added this, and then you carry over the 1. And now you need to add that column and tell me what the total number is. What is it? 73. That's right. 73. Awesome job, Daniel.